Hey y'all, and welcome back. In today's recipe, we're going to be in the kitchen making some cinnamon rolls. Y'all come on and join us in the kitchen for this recipe. You'll have to get you an iron skillet. And in this recipe today, we're going to be using a can of cinnamon rolls. We're going to be cheating in this recipe, but once you get finished, you won't even know that they were canned cinnamon rolls. This is a way to turn these canned cinnamon rolls into delicious, almost like homemade cinnamon rolls from scratch. And now just start placing them in your iron skillet. This is the brown sugar that we made. We have a video on how to make homemade brown sugar.